Hello dear Aries, welcome to my channel and this is your July last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Yes, we've already reached the end of July. This will be a mix of end of July plus first week of August. This is going to be exclusive love plus career reading. So yes, if you have any specific questions in your mind, just think about them. Think of your partner, think of your position, whatever that question is, and probably this reading will give you your answers as well. If not, the personal reading option is always available. So let's begin. Let's see what's in store for you in your career. You've got the 10 of spades, the 9 of spades, and the Emperor. Wow. I do see a very positive energies when it comes to your career. Like you are hoping for all the best things to come your way. A lot of success. What did I say? I'm sorry. A lot of success, abundance, a lot of progress, maybe waiting on a promotion, maybe waiting on a lot of clients, whatever it is for you. I do see that good luck is by your side, that things are going to progress very fast for you now. If they have been slow in the past, it's not going to happen anymore. It's going to pick up really fast. And if things have been off balance, the balance is going to come back into your life. If you had to work multiple shift or different jobs, now there will be stability. Financial stability is coming into your life back again. I also see with that some sort of promotion or some sort of authoritative position. Maybe your roles is going to change. Maybe your pay scale is changing or something, or maybe you're just as a practice session, some sort of people are giving you authority. Maybe you have a team now which you did not have earlier, so there is authority around you. Like I can see people respect you. I can see people are going to follow your orders. I can see a balance which is being restored. I see financial stability. Maybe you're making investments as well. So career wise your week looks great. I also see a father figure, a father or head of the family which has an influence over you. Probably you are working with them or on their advice, or they are your role model in some way, that you've learned some skills and now you're applying, or they have maybe helped you in your career in some way. So yes, this is that kind of position where people respect you, listen to you, obey your orders. You have that kind of authority, you have that kind of position. And yes, if in your work life, especially if your father or father figure, husband, brother, whoever is the head of the family in your life, if they are advising you something related to your career, please follow them. They might be strict, they might be aggressive, but they mean well. That is what also this Emperor card tells me. So you're going to be put on a very good position provided you follow the right people, the right advice. Okay, so please do that. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Libra Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. Not necessary, since only one sign has popped up. So obviously this might not resonate with each one of you. So please feel free to ignore that particular sign as well. This popped out, so I thought I should mention it. Also, it's not necessary that you will know all the signs of all your partners. Okay. So yes, Four of Stars and the Fool card. What does it tell me? It tells me pain, it tells me hurt, it tells me regret. It tells me that there could have been a breakup, there could have been a situation where you are no longer talking to each other. It could be recent or in the past. It can be a breakup, separation, divorce, whatever your situation is. You're still carrying that pain and hurt. Maybe you're missing this person a lot, right? This week, I do see that this person is coming back. With a Fool card here, there is a chance of reconciliation if you want it to happen, right? If you really are missing this person, if you are maybe regretting around the situation, maybe you thought that it was not just him, it was me as well. Maybe I also said a couple of things, or fine, I also shouldn't have done that, but he just crossed the line. Whatever it is for you, this person has regret. This person wants to come back. This person wants to confess their feelings. If they never confess their feelings, expect a confession as well. Expect an apology this week, a text, a call, a in-person meeting where they will explain you things probably, or would want to get back with you. This is a card of starting things from clean slate. You both have the potential to start things from clean slate if you really want it. Okay, this person would want to start afresh. So if you're wondering if this no contact is going well with your partner or not, if they're thinking about you or not, if they want to really come back or not, yes, they want to. And roles can be reversed at any time, which means that this can be even your own energy, that you want to go back to somebody. You want to go back to somebody and apologize. You want to go back to somebody and just confess their feelings because you never did, right? Because of which today you both are not in touch. But still, both of you are carrying the hurt, the pain, right? Like, I wish this could have happened, but this never happened, right? Because you both never were so much in your ego that you never confessed your feelings for each other. And imagine both of you feeling the same way for each other. What a waste. What a waste, right? So yes, reverse the roles if you can, but yes, the reconciliation is on the horizons. It is very much possible if you wanted to. If you really want to get back to somebody, I suggest please take the lead, go ahead. Or if that person comes back, drop your ego and start things from clean slate. Try to forgive each other, okay? Be gentle, and if you really want it. Okay. Other than that, if you're expecting those who are not expecting your part ex to come back, okay, those who don't want to get back together, I'm sorry, but there's no new person who's coming this week. Okay, I only see exes coming back. I do not see any new person, so there is no new beginning which is going to happen. You'll have to be very patient this week as well, and let's see what the next week will bring out for you. Those who are single, right? Maybe you can focus on your career for this week, and probably next week will start getting better. Okay, so yes, this was a weekly reading. If you guys resonated with it, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. And yes, this was a general reading, sun, moon or rising. If you did not resonate with a particular sign, I suggest check your other signs. Or if you want to book a personal reading, you have very specific questions which were not covered, you can always book a personal reading by checking the description box, emailing me, or directly DMing me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram because I keep on posting the stories with prices over there. I have very budgeted prices. You will be amazed when you check them out. Okay, I have a lot of services available under 500 also. I have a lot of services available under 1000 also, including powerful rituals, including packages, okay, with free remedies, by the way, including exclusive love readings, no contact readings, and of course personal readings. So please check out the prices. It is not as expensive as it might be on other channels, and also very powerful and accurate. You can read the testimonials on my Instagram handle as well. And yes, take care of yourself. This was a weekly reading. Do not forget to subscribe this channel and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. So take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.